Hey, I know you're probably a student sitting in class wondering, why do I have to do this project? That's completely relatable. So am I. This teacher lady said paper slides were cool, so yeah, this is it. How do I make it creative and interesting? Wait and find out. But without further ado, please don't try to fall asleep while I tell you about 5 of water's properties. By the way, I'm totally just going to read from this list. Here's our first slide, cohesion. The literal definition says cohesion refers to blah 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 blah. In a nutshell, cohesion is basically when water is attracted to more water. Just like with Farmers Only or Christian Mingle, they just bond with hydrogen. Number 2 on the list is adhesion, which is basically the same thing as cohesion, but switch the whole, oh, I only bond with other water molecules with, I'm culturally diverse and believing in bonds with anything with hydrogen. I'm all about that big H. You get the point. After that comes drumroll please. Wait, it's just the voiceover, no need to be extra. Capillary action. Don't tell me you've never tried that weird experiment with a paper towel and a glass of water, because we all have. But believe it or not, there's science behind that, and I actually find this one pretty interesting. Capillary action is when water molecules move upward through a narrow tube like the stem of a plant, basically saying, I'm too good for you, gravity. This is thanks to adhesion. Following that moderately interesting fact, high specific heat. Basically, high specific heat is the conversion factor to change the temperature of 1 gram of something to 1 degree of Celsius. Pretty boring if you ask me, but wait, there's more! Fun fact about high specific heat, I only say fun when I don't know it. At night in the winter, the water is usually warm enough to heat up the cold air above, which is pretty neat to know. Blah 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 blah. Okay, last but not least, I mean, who cares if it's least? We have transparency. Water is clear, that's that. It lets ocean plants get the sunlight they need if they aren't at the bottom of the ocean under some sunken pirate ship talking to you, Ursula. Since the ancestors of all plants originated in the ocean, I mean, if you believe in the Scientology approach to life, the transparency of water has had an immeasurable influence on life as we know it. So yeah, I'm done. Water facts. Please hope I didn't ruin my chance for any